Hello everyone, in this video I have the opportunity to explain the material about cash and cash equivalents and some examples of questions. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Damai Melati with NPM 234122036 from Class AKT 23A. Here is the explanation. Cash is the most liquid asset in the form of cash, either stored in physical form or in a bank account. Cash is used in daily transactions and can be used immediately to pay obligations or expenses. 2. Cash equivalents are short-term, highly liquid investments that can be easily converted into cash and have a very small risk of change in value. Typically, cash equivalents mature within 3 months or less from the date of acquisition. Examples of cash equivalents are short-term deposits, marketable securities, and bonds that mature in less than 3 months. Question 1. PTABC has cash of 10 million stored in a bank account, as well as short-term deposits worth 5 million that mature in 2 months. What is the total cash and cash equivalents of PTABC? Answer. The total cash is 10 million, the total cash equivalents are 5 million. To find the total cash and cash equivalents, namely by adding the total cash and total cash equivalents to 10 million plus 5 million, and the result of this addition is 15 million. The total cash and cash equivalents of PTABC are 15 million. This means that the company has liquid assets worth 15 million that can be used immediately for operational needs or to pay liabilities. Question 2. Mr. Booty has 8 million in cash at home and 12 million in a bank account. In addition, he also has a certificate of deposit worth 6 million that matures in 1 month. How much is the total cash and cash equivalents that Mr. Booty has? Answer. Total cash is 8 million, cash in the bank account is 12 million, his cash equivalents are 6 million, so total cash and cash equivalents are 8 million plus 12 million plus 6 million and get a result of 26 million. Mr. Booty has total liquid assets worth 26 million that can be used immediately or in a very short period of time. This shows that Booty has good enough financial flexibility to meet urgent needs or make transactions in the near future. Question 3. In the third question, PT Delta has various forms of liquid assets, namely cash in the bank of 25 million and a time deposit of 10 million which will mature in 1 month. In addition, the company also has a note receivable of 5 million which will mature in 2 months. Both assets, deposits and notes receivable, can be considered as cash equivalents because they mature in less than 3 months, while stock investments cannot be considered cash equivalents because they are not liquid enough and their value fluctuates. Total cash and cash equivalents equals 25 million plus 10 million plus 5 million equals 40 million. Thus, PT Delta has total cash and cash equivalents of 40 million which can be used immediately for operations or payment of obligations. That was the explanation regarding the material, cash and cash equivalents and some examples of problems that I can convey in this video. I will end it by and thank you.